Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a sales funnel in Shopify. Let's get started. So on default, the sales funnel on Shopify is just product, then cart, and checkout. So what I recommend you is just head over and follow this diagram that I have here. So make sure that you also advertise your products because it will drive more traffic to your Shopify store. So make sure that you do this very first step because without advertising, it will be very hard to grow your store organically or by just the word of mouth. So make sure that you utilize social media apps like Facebook, Instagram in order to advertise your products on those social media platforms. Next thing is the product page. So make sure that you utilize the actual page of your product. So for example, let's see what my product page looks like right here. I have here some products that I have. And then from here, let's see what this product actually looks like. So we can click on this right here. And then this will load. And let's click on this preview right here. And then we can see what my product looks like. So this is what it looks like right now. They have here color scheme and all of this right here. So make sure also that you also put in here a description and some variations as well. So the next part is the cart page. So if you head over and add this to your cart, then as you can see, this is what it looks like on your cart. So let's click on view cart right here in order to see what it looks like. So make sure that people will be able to successfully check this out. We also having here this order specials instructions. Make sure also that you have this. And for example, you have a discount code. Make sure also that you will enable that on your checkout page. Next thing is the checkout page right here. And if you click on checkout right here, the product will be checked out by the user. So make sure also that your checkout page is also utilized and it will look very good in order to entice users to do that. So earlier you see that I have a pop-up discount code. Make sure also that you have that because that can help some customers or visitors in order to be successful buyers on your conversion rate. So the next thing that we have is the post-purchase follow-up. So this post-purchase follow-up right here is actually utilized in here on your Shopify. So click on the settings. Then on the settings, scroll down until you reach the notifications. Under your notifications, you should be able to see in your customer notifications. Then in here, you can see the shipping confirmation as well as the Stripe order invoice. So utilizing this tool right here will make sure that the customer reminds themselves that they have a product. And you can also put there some related products that they can also check out that goes well with the ones that they have checked out as well. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.